The light.
You're gonna love man
tonight. Calling. Sang done? No. Red tune. Bomba click there. Boom.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Boom.
I wanna get you back on this side of the fence, baby.
Red tune.
Girl, your pussy is
Calling. Bomba clad. Yo, all the type of girl them. We're up at the party right now. Reaction boss are calling now. The girl with a good pum pum.
Resting upon my chest.
Man, so put it on him chest. The girl come to the party. Hold on there, baby girl. Now put up a song just for you. Just for you, run there. So you see, hey, girl, yeah, you in the party right there. Yeah, you come here. Yeah, me I say, baby. You must say, baby.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Come here, baby, come in, baby, man.
I wanna get you back on this
baby,
side of the
you walk
fence,
in at the
baby.
party, yeah, my friend. Yeah, my baby.
Girl, your pussy is
Call, let me see it in your face now. Me see it in your face, baby, to call. Yeah, man, me see it. Yo, come in, man, come in, baby. Yeah. Good morning. What's good, YouTube? It's a what Tyrekevlogs here with another reaction video for you guys. Now, we're here with this and we've been spamming this for roughly 2-3 weeks right now. Right? We have Mouttxt love song. You see me as a red eye rhythm. The reason why I didn't do this reaction the first time when you spam it, when you tell me to do it, because we did hear some video I forward out. But me not see the video. And this song I get all. I'm ready to react to it like right now. You hear me I say? So you know what for the people, run up on the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new over here for the madness, cause we ever lit no blood clot over here, so we lit no bomb back belt over here, so you see me, we post every day over here, so 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day over here, so you hear me I say, me get a girl put boy up over here, so anyways, comment on this to see your comment in the next video that I post. I ain't telling you already. Mouttxt love song, them say that song for Jada Kings, that's how you go? Don't you remember? Yeah, make us see what go on. Run tune!
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Me Ross.
I wanna get you back on this side of the fence, baby.
Whoa!
Girl, your pussy is calling.
What?
Calling. We always not the morning.
Yeah!
Morning.
What?
Morning.
Yeah, you!
Me beat it up breathless.
Bomba!
Resting upon my chest, yes. Resting upon my body.
Yeah!
Say that you love me.
Woo!
I wrote this song for spite. No girl can give it this fight. She called me by my first name. Say I'm Mouttxt.
Oh no! What? Yeah, hold on. Run tune! Yo! Run tune!
This song is dedicated to a lesbian. I wanna get you back on this
side of the fence, baby. Run tune!
Girl, your pussy is
Calling. Bomba!
We always not the morning. Me beat it up breathless. Rest upon my chest, yes.
Rest upon your chest, yes. Hold on. Rest upon your chest.
Say that you love me.
Hey.
I wrote this song for spite. No girl can give it this fight.
I wrote this song for spite.
Say I'm Mouttxt.
Ja.
Girl, you are get fucked tonight. Punching on condoms, no candlelight.
Bomba!
Don't turn off the light. You're gonna love man tonight.
Oh no!
That you never experienced. So me go the extra distance.
No, hold on. Is this how he sounds in like all of his songs? Or he's just doing this voice for this song? Let me know. But damn, yeah, the push is calling. Bomba clad. Myself gonna beat it up breathless. Run tune.
Me message your response. So fast, pretty face and your cute ass.
Sure.
No other girl can get my attention.
Yeah.
Confirm you are my selection.
What let me say?
Me and you together, that perfection.
Sure.
Invincible, together for life. I wrote this song for
Spy. Hey, but when I see what him like.
She called me by my first name.
First name.
Say I'm Mouttxt.
Mouttxt.
Yeah, you wanna get fucked
Tonight.
Punching on condoms, no candlelight.
No.
Jenna, please don't turn off the light.
No, I want to see your body.
You're gonna love man tonight.
Sure.
Pussy and calling.
Yeah.
Calling.
Yeah.
Calling.
And them say. Yeah.
We always not the morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
Clean.
Me beat it up.
Breathless. Breath.
Rest it on my chest, yes.
No.
Rest it on my body. Say that you love me.
Hey.
I wrote this
Song for Spy.
No girl can give it this far.
Sure.
She called me by my first name.
Sure.
Say I'm Mouttxt.
Be a poo me I get tonight. I mean,
Girl, you wanna get fucked
tonight.
Punching on condoms, no candle.
The light.
Jenna, please don't turn off
The light.
You're gonna love man
Tonight. Calling. Sing done? No. Red tune. One buckle it there. Boom.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Boom, boom, boom.
I wanna get you back on this side of the fence, baby.
Red tune. Got
Girl,
it.
your pussy is
Calling. Bumbleclad. Yo, all the time people girl them. We're up at the party right now. Reaction boss are calling now. The girl with the good pum pum. Right there.
Rest it on my chest.
Man say put it on him chest. The girl coming to the party. Hold on there, baby girl. Now put up a song just for you. Just for you run this. So you see, hey, little girl, yeah, you on the party right there. Yeah, you come here. Come here. Hear me say baby. Baby. Hear me say baby.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby one.
I wanna get you back on this
Baby,
side of
you
the
walk
fence,
in the
baby.
party, yeah, my friend. Yeah, my baby.
Girl, your pussy is
Call me see it in your face now. Me see it in your face, baby, to call. Yeah, man, me see it. You come in, man. Come in, baby. Yeah. What about the girl? Yeah, girl. Wine.
Me beat it up.
Bow.
Breathless.
Yeah, girl.
Press it on my chest.
Me not easy with you, you mean? Don't hold on. You can't deal with the girl, so that slow wine there. Hold on, I'm gonna put up your phone now. Slow wine. Yeah. We're blowing her back.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Hey. No. Don't jump on the man. Don't jump on the man. Hey, baby, block him, man. Yeah, me no baby girl.
Girl, your pussy is calling.
Yeah, you slow wine now. Yes, great for her. Yeah, youth. Play her here now. Box her in her head now. Slap her body jaw. Yeah, youth. Deal with it.
Me beat it up.
Yeah, youth. Deal with it. Youth, I got it. Yeah, youth. No, hold on, that's slow one. Tell her this, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
I wrote this song for Spy.
Yeah, youth.
No girl can give it a fight. She called me by my first name.
Yeah. What? Money pull up. Boom.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian.
Boom.
I wanna get you back on this side of the fence,
Yeah,
baby.
man. Shout out to the girl about Trinidad. Shout out to the girl in Jamaica. You don't know. Calling. Cause we have done like that in my neck.
We always not the morning.
Good body girl, let forget things. What do me say?
Me beat it up.
Breathless.
Rest it on my chest.
Bomb buckle it now. You better put on your chest now.
Rest it on my body.
What?
Say that you love me.
And what time of day now, little girl?
I wrote this
Song for Spy.
No girl can give it this fight.
Def.
She called me by my first name.
What she call you, man? What she call you?
Say I'm Mouttxt.
Bumbleclad.
Girl, you wanna get fucked
Tonight.
Punching on condoms, no candlelight.
Boom.
This song is dedicated to a lesbian. I wanna get you back on this side of the fence, baby.
You don't like the video yet? So don't hear
Girl,
about
your
it.
pussy is calling.
What?
Calling.
Where?
Calling.
How?
We always not the morning.
What time?
Morning.
What time?
Morning.
Tell them again.
Me beat it up, breathless.
Deaf?
Rest it on my chest, yeah.
No.
Rest it on my body.
Yeah.
Say that you
Guess what
love
I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do what?
I wrote this song for Spy. No girl can give it this fight. She called by my first
What's your name? My name?
Say I'm
Mouttxt from Buckler. People, it's been a boy tie. Time for checking out the video.
This song is dedicated
I don't know,
to
so
a
one time I
lesbian.
don't pull up the song never 10,000
I wanna
times.
get you back on this side of
Shout
the
out to
fence,
get a good
baby.
punani. Like the video.
Yeah,
Because
your pussy, it calls.
yeah, we are signing out now. It was a lit party. Every girl put
We
get
always
wet up.
got the
And you know say start them on the right way.
morning.
It was a party. Yeah.
Me beat it up.
Breathless.
Rest it on my chest.
No, why? I'm out.